Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore one word at a time to boost your English skills. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into the word behind. Behind is an A1 level preposition that means at the rear of. It's one of those simple yet incredibly useful words that you'll find in many situations. Let's break it down. Imagine you're in a line at the coffee shop. If someone is standing behind you, they are at the rear of you in the queue. Another example might be if you're looking for your keys and you realize they're behind the couch, meaning they're at the rear of it. Let's talk about some synonyms. Words like at the back of or in the rear of can sometimes be used in place of behind, though they might sound a little more formal or descriptive. For example, instead of saying, "The garden is behind the house," you could say, "The garden is at the back of the house." Similarly, "The car behind me honked" could also be phrased as "the car in the rear of me honked," though that might not sound as natural. Now for some antonyms. The opposite of behind is in front of. If you're walking in a group and someone is behind you, you could also say someone else is in front of you. For instance, "He stood in front of the door" contrasts with "he stood behind the door." In everyday life, we use behind all the time. You might say, "I left my umbrella behind," which means you accidentally left it at the rear of where you were. Or, if you're running late, you might explain, "I'm behind on my work," meaning you're not caught up. Here are some quick examples of behind in action. The dog is hiding behind the tree. She parked her bike behind the building. There's a trail behind the school where people go for walks. And that's it for today's word. We've explored its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and how to use it in your daily conversations. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. Before you go, why not create your own sentence using behind? Share it in the comments, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.